Hey everybody, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is creating a residual income. And the business is called Global Domains International, also known as GDI. GDI has been around since 1999, and uh, it's just an awesome company. It's just got so many bonuses. It got so many marketing tools. It got so many it just got everything. But it's only $10 a month to get started with GDI. So every person that you bring in, you're going to receive $1 a month residual. But what I love the most about this program, if you bring in 5 of those people in a week, you're going to receive $100 bonus. And it just don't stop there. If you bring 10, that's $200 bonus. If you bring 15, that's $300 bonus. And it keeps going on and on and on to however many you bring in. So that's what I like about it. So also, if you fill in your 5-level matrix, you'll be making about $3,900 a month. But you can make more than that because you're going to be receiving those bonuses too. And on your level 1, there's no limit to how many people you can bring in. So you can actually make more than that off a $10 a month business. And if you want to take your business to the next level, we have GDI Premium, which is $40 a month. And when you fill up your matrix, you can be making $19,000 plus a month. But you can also make more than that because with the bonuses, if you bring 20 people in that week, that's $400. And like I said, there's no limit to the people you can bring in on level 1. So you can actually make more than that. And man, they just got all kind of stuff. I mean, they got even more bonuses. I talk about this. That's what I've been talking about. $100 for every 5 referrals in a week. Then they got a GDI learning bonus. GDI will pay you $25 for completing all the steps in the GDI learning bonus. This is a great way to learn how to be successful with GDI while getting paid at the same time. Then you got your GDI duplication bonus right here. For every 10 directly referred new customers that earn their $25 learning bonus, GDI will pay the original sponsor $250. Then you get your GDI team bonus. Join an existing team or start your own. The goal is for your team to get 25 or more converted signups during a calendar month in order to share in a $250 bonus. 50 signups in a month can earn your team $500, and it keeps building from there up to $2,500. So, this thing is unbelievable. Also, you're going to get to choose your own domain name, which will be a .ws domain name. Now, if you join, I urge you to pick a real good domain name, something that's going to make people click on your site. Come up with a real good one when you join. Let's go to marketing kit. This is something new because I've joined before in GDI 1 or 2 times and I had quit because I wasn't as good as a marketer. But now it's no excuse, like you say. Like I say, they got the marketing kit now to really help you. You got GDI flyers now, GDI brochures. They got a Pinterest contest, a table tent, tearaway flyer, windshield flyer. I mean, this stuff wasn't even around then, the one or two other times that I joined. So let me go to banners. They got banners and stuff that you can use to promote GDI. Then you got your GDI tutorials. I mean, they just keep getting better and better. You see what I mean? I mean, all this stuff went around when I joined the first two times and dropped out. But now I'm in, and I want y'all to be in too at only $10 a month. Now this is the most important part. When you join, the first thing I want you to do is click on the documentation tab. You want to read these two agreements and print them out, and on the last two pages you want to sign those. Also print that W-9 out and sign that. And also make a photocopy of your driver's license. And then those 4 filled out and signed papers can be sent as email attachments to support@wsdomains.ws. That's the way I done it when I sent mine back. Or you can mail those to the headquarters by regular mail, and also you can fax it to that number. Now, when you send in this an email attached, it might take 4 or 5 days for them to get back to you saying they received it. This company got a lot of people, paperwork to process. So don't think they ain't got it. If the email went through correctly, it might take 4, 5, 6 days for them to get back to say, hey, we got your paperwork, you good to go. Now, the reason you have to do this is because GDI is not going to pay out commissions until this paperwork has been sent in. So this is a must thing that you have to do. So I just wanted to make sure that I pointed that out. So if for some reason you join and you don't talk to me because you're computer savvy enough, make sure that's the first thing you do is go on to the documentation tab and take care of that. Right here you can predict, you can choose your preferred payment on how you want to pay each month. I pay by my PayPal debit. That's my information there. You can choose how you want to pay out. Say, pay us with credit card, debit card, whatever. Also, preferred commission. I chose to be paid to my PayPal account. Anything over $10, they're going to pay me on the 15th for each month by PayPal. You can choose to receive a check in the mail, or you can receive commissions by bank wire. So, and this shows the fees, what will come out by check, by PayPal, or by bank wire. So, I felt that, I see other people promoting GDI and they never point that out. So remember, as soon as you join and get your login information, come in here and go to documentation, fill out those 4 forms and send it back as soon as you can. So that way you'll be good to go and receive commissions without being delayed in it. So now let's go to GDI form. Like I say, man, they just making it better and better. You can choose what username you want for the form or whatnot. I never joined the form, but you can just pick what username, and you can connect with like-minded people on the forum. And then, like I say, you got your GDI tutorials, which I previously talked about. This right here is the leaderboard. You can see who doing what, who bringing in the most people, and you can also contact those people, and maybe they give you some tips and pointers. But GDI is the way to go if you want to build a residual income. Also, you can set up your email. You can build a blog. I mean, it's just so much that you can do for only $10 a month. So I urge you guys to get in GDI, because to me, everybody needs a residual income coming in every month. You know, you want to get this thing built up to where it's covering your mortgage and your car insurance, your health insurance, your utility bill, cable bill, internet, food, grocery bill every month. You know, this is the legit business that can really do it all. And it's only $10 a month. And if you want to make over $19,000 a month, you can join GDI Premium for $40 a month. But if you want over 3,900 plus, just join just GDI for $10 a month. I mean, that's all. $10 a month. And then you got a chance to get all those different bonuses. So with that being said, I'm going to put a link to my GDI business below. And I'm also going to put a link to my blog below that, so you can see all the other online and offline income opportunities that I have. And make sure you most definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell. And y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.